Hey guys! Today I'm going to do a science experiment about surface tension. Let's start! Here are the materials. A bowl, a jug with water, ground pepper, and some dishwashing soap. Now I'm gonna pour the water in up to here. Okay, so this is enough. Now I'm gonna put the pepper in. Now I'm going to put in the dishwashing soap. Whoa! Oh, that looks interesting. Conclusion! What is surface tension? Surface tension is something that is elastic. It also has particles that are closer compared to normal liquid particles. It also takes place when two types of a liquid or force that are acting opposite to each other. Also, surface tension is an effect that occurs when the surface of a liquid is strong. Tanya, but we are looking for the conclusion. You are not discussing the literal conclusion. Okay, but please don't be that harsh. Okay, so the conclusion is that the dishwashing liquid reduces surface tension and allows the particles of water at the surface to spread out more. Hello! Welcome to the end. I hope you enjoyed. For more videos like this, you can subscribe. It can help me a lot.